I think I'm going.
Ours is locked. Ours is locked. No, this one's
Oh, ours is locked?
Yeah, ours is locked.
Oh, pull me back.
Ours is locked too.
Oh, pull me back then?
Oh wait, see, damage base is starting. But Beebs is locked. Okay, wait. Kill the angelic, kill the angelic, kill the angelics.
Survive.
Oh.
We need one person over. We need one person outside.
Objective, survive.
Bro, oh my god, there's an overload Minotaur over here.
Cyclops.
What? Where's our third?
Beebs is over there.
Someone's gotta complete the chain. Oh,
someone
God.
help.
I'm helping.
You're not
Shane.
allowed to go over there.
I got punished, bro.
Hello?
Help.
Get closer.
I'm as close as I could possibly get. I'm bringing Beebs back, dude. Fuck
You
this.
gotta bring me back.
I'm trying, bro.
Oh, we're gods. We're gods. We're gods. Get in the well. Get in the well.
Beebs is still just fucking over there.
It's an overload Minotaur.
It's a float party.
Oh my god.
We're gods, bro.
Raw damage. Raw
Hey,
damage.
four more phases.
Got it.
Four more phases, boys. Four
Yo,
more
four
phases.
more phases. Oh, our shit's gone. All right, Justin, let's get some of these tethers going.
Yeah,
all right?
bro. Let's get these
Let's
tethers.
go. Let's go. I'm in the soup. I'm in the soup. I'm in the soup.
Tether, guys, we need to tether.
Where? Ah,
I'm so clean
Back
right
here,
now.
by me,
Yo,
back
Justin,
here.
here you go. Why are you running away from it?
Cause I'm dying.
Bro, I love how I'm in the soup when the platform comes back, I die. That's my favorite part. I like how I also get revived in the soup.
What am I doing?
How you doing?
I'm hiding from the overload Minotaur.
Wait, you're still over there? Look at him, bro. Look at him way out there.
The angels, now we can bring him back. Bring him back.
Perfect,
good at all?
Beebs. We're naturals. We're naturals, dude.
Okay.
Have you banked yet, Beebs?
It's bold for you to assume I
Alright,
had
go.
emotes.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Hold
you were
on.
there for a
Pull
fucking
me,
year
pull
and a
me,
half.
pull me, just pull me, just pull me, just pull me.
You're pulled, brother. Cyclops.
Wait, why is it?
I
Why
have
is
all
it
the land.
here?
Wow, that portal is very far away, huh?
Super random portal placement.
Justin, let's tether.
Yeah, I'm close.
I'm going in the
That's
soup.
There's gonna be.
Oh shit, we had it. I
Get
fucked
these
it.
guys.
yeah.
I'm scared, Justin.
You got bodied.
I did.
I got
Maybe the guy
bodied.
with the enlightenment shouldn't go out in the soup.
I thought that was the deal because you.
Yo, pull me back. Pull me
What
back.
deal?
Oh,
I
we're
didn't-
dead, bro.
Dude, what deal? I didn't even read a shit.